Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna discuss AddItem, which is the member of ListBox. In your Excel workbook, click on Developer tab and then click Visual Basic. Insert UserForm and select ListBox from the toolbox. Draw it on UserForm according to your need and then double click on UserForm. Change procedure from click to activate. It will load all the data whenever you run the code. me.listbox1.addItem and in double quotes whatever the value you want. All the value loaded in your list box successfully. Now we want to load data from Excel sheets dynamically. This line of code basically counts all cells in column A which has value on it. With the help of for loop, we can load all values in your list box. Here you see all fruits names is loaded in your list box successfully. Thank you so much.